channel Current Affairs for you. Let's begin the important current affairs of 21st January 2021. Before that, watch the video completely and share with your friends. The first question for today: who has been given the additional charge of Ayush Ministry? Options are Kiren Rijiju, Piyush Goyal, Narendra Singh Tomar, Harshvardhan. Option A is correct here. Kiren Rijiju has been given the additional charge of Ayush Ministry. Kiren Rijiju, who is the Youth Affairs Minister and also Sports Minister. Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports is Kiren Rijiju, and he has been given the additional charge of Ayush Ministry. First, what is Ayush? Ayush is nothing but Ayurveda, Yoga and Naturopathy, Unani, Siddha, Homeopathy. This is Ayush. Now, Ayush Ministry has been given to Kiren Rijiju. Now, Piyush Goyal, who is the Railway Minister, and also Commerce and Industry Minister, Commerce and Industries, Piyush Goyal has been given an extra additional charge of Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution. This is given to Piyush Goyal. Narendra Singh Tomar, who is the Union Minister of Agriculture Development, Farmers Welfare, Rural Development and Panchayati Raj. This Narendra Singh Tomar has been given one more ministry called Ministry of Food Processing Industry. Previously, Ministry of Food Processing Industry is Harsimrat Kaur Badal. She resigned, that's why Narendra Singh Tomar got this. Now, Harshvardhan is the Health Minister. Of India. Next, who announced Mukhyamantri Bhagayat Vikas Mission or Horticulture Development Mission? Mukhyamantri Bhagayat Vikas Mission or Horticulture Development Mission. Options are Ashok Gehlot, Vijay Rupani, Trivendra Singh Rawat, Shivraj Singh Chauhan. So option B, Vijay Rupani is correct answer. Vijay Rupani, who is the Chief Minister of Gujarat, announced Mukhyamantri Bhagayat Vikas Mission or Horticulture Development Mission. Now, Ashok Gehlot, the Chief Minister of Rajasthan, recently inaugurated Organ Donor Memorial. So, which state stood in first place in organ donation? Tamil Nadu state stood first position in organ donation. Trivendra Singh Rawat, who is the Chief Minister for Uttarakhand, he inaugurated Integrated Model Agriculture Village Scheme. This is inaugurated by Trivendra Singh Rawat. Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan aims to eliminate. So Madhya Pradesh state government aims to eliminate AIDS by 2030. Who is the Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh? Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Next, which state announced that allotment of 7,219 fair price shops across the state under its Ghar Ghar Rozgar Te Karubar mission? Options are Maharashtra, Telangana, Odisha, Punjab. So, among these states, one state announced 7,219 fair price shops across the state under which mission? Ghar Ghar Rozgar Te Karubar mission. I will give you a clue. Captain Amarinder Singh announced this. It means Punjab. So option D is correct here. Punjab state government, the Chief Minister of Punjab is Captain Amarinder Singh, announced that allotment of 7,219 fair price shops throughout the Punjab state under a mission called Ghar Ghar Rozgar Ki Karubar mission. So next, Maharashtra. Two important things of Maharashtra. One is in Thane district of Maharashtra. One is Mumbai district of Maharashtra. Thane, Maharashtra. So in Thane, Maharashtra, period room for women in public toilets has been inaugurated in Thane district of Maharashtra. And in Mumbai, Maharashtra, Tribal Minister Arjun Munda inaugurated Tribal India Showroom has been inaugurated by Tribal Minister Arjun Munda in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Now, Arjun Munda is the Tribal Minister. Tribal Ministry of Tribal recently won Scotch Award for 2020. Next, fourth question. Which state delivers medicines for senior citizens through its flagship project called Karunya at Home? Options are Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Arunachal Pradesh. Option C is correct here. Kerala government started a new project called Karunya at Home. Under this mission or under this project, medicines will be delivered to the home for senior citizens. Now let's talk about Andhra Pradesh. There is a district called Krishna. There is a district called Krishna in Andhra Pradesh. It topped in fisheries sector. In the category of marine district category. Marine district category in fisheries sector of Government of India. Krishna district stood top. Now Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu state government launched an app called THEE app for public to reach Tamil Nadu Fire and Rescue Services. Fire and Rescue Services T-Mobile app is launched by Tamil Nadu state government. Arunachal Pradesh state stood first place in sex ratio with 1085. Next question. Who wrote the book The Language of History, Sanskrit Narratives of Muslim Pasts? The Language of History, Sanskrit Narratives of Muslim Pasts. This book is written by whom? Options are Andre Truske, Sam Dalrymple, Jairam Ramesh, Prem Prakash, R. Kaushik. So option A is correct here. Andre Truske wrote a book called The Language of History, Sanskrit Narratives of Muslim Pasts. Now Sam Dalrymple, Five Partitions, The Making of Modern Asia. This book is written by Sam Dalrymple. Next, Jairam Ramesh wrote a book called The Light of Asia, The Poems That Defined Buddha. The Light of Asia, The Poems That Defined Buddha. This is written by Jairam Ramesh. Next, Prem Prakash wrote a book called Reporting India. And this book has been released by External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar. Released a book called Reporting India, and this book is written by Prem Prakash. R. Kaushik wrote a recent book. It is written by R. Kaushik, India's 71-year test journey. From Triumph in Australia. India's 71-year test journey to Triumph in Australia. This is written by R. Kaushik. Next, who has become the first woman fighter pilot at Republic Day Parade? Options are Varsha Joshi, Saprit Singh, Bhavna Kant, K. Veeramani. So option C is correct here. Bhavna Kant became the first ever woman fighter pilot at the Republic Day Parade, which is going to be on 26 January 2021. Varsha Joshi is the chairman of NDDB, National Dairy Development Board. Saprit Singh wrote a book called Night of Restless Spirits. The Stories from 1984. This book is written by Saprit Singh. K. Veeramani won an award called Dr. Narendra Dabolkar. Dr. Narendra Dabolkar award for 2020. This is won by K. Veeramani. Next question. Who wrote the book Manohar Parrikar, Off the Record? Options are Shivthanu Pillai, Shakti Sinha, Alfredo Covelli, Vaman Subbaprabhu. Option D is correct here. Vaman Subbaprabhu wrote a book called Manohar Parrikar, Off the Record, and this book is released by present Goa Chief Minister. Who is present Goa Chief Minister? He is Pramod Sawant. Released a book called Manohar Parrikar, Off the Record, and this book is written by Vaman Subbaprabhu. Now Shivthanu Pillai and Shakti Sinha, Alfredo Covello, these also wrote recent books. Alfredo Covelli wrote a book called Vahana Masterclass. This is written by Alfredo Covelli. Next, Shivthanu Pillai wrote a book called 40 Years with Abdul Kalam. Untold Stories. 40 Years with Abdul Kalam, Untold Stories. This is written by Shivthanu Pillai. Next, Shakti Sinha wrote a book called So Shakti Sinha wrote a book called Prime Minister Vajpayee, The Years That Changed India. Prime Minister Vajpayee, The Years That Changed India. This is written by Shakti Sinha. Next question. Gorewada International Zoo has been renamed to Balasaheb Thackeray Gorewada International Zoo. It is in which state? Options are Tripura, Nagaland, Maharashtra, West Bengal. So option C is correct here, Maharashtra. So recently Maharashtra state government changed Gorewada International Zoo name to Balasaheb Thackeray Gorewada International Zoo. It is located in Maharashtra state. Next question. India to procure 21 MiG-29 and 12 Sukhoi 30 MKI fighter aircraft from which country? Options are Russia, Japan, France, USA. So option A is correct here, Russia. Now Indian government is going to procure 21 MiG-29 fighter aircrafts and also 12 Sukhoi 30 MKI fighter aircrafts from which country? From Russia. Next, MeitY collaborated with which of the following to set up quantum computing applications lab in India? Options are Flipkart, Amazon, BigBasket, Myntra. So option B is correct here, Amazon Web Service. Amazon Web Service collaborated with Ministry of Electronics and Information from India. So now these two collaborated to set up a lab called Quantum Computing Applications Lab. So this is going to be the world's first quantum computing applications lab, which is going to be helpful for a national government mission. So the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology has partnered with Amazon Web Services to set up quantum computing applications lab in India. This will be world's first lab to support a national government mission. So that's all for today's current affairs. Hope you guys like the video. Do subscribe and share with your friends.